Good morning, students. So today we will learn pronoun and its kinds, part 2. So in our part 1 we have learned what is pronoun, what are the kinds of pronoun and explanation of some of the kinds. Yes or no? We have learned personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. So today we will learn another more pronouns, kinds of pronouns. So let us begin. The pronouns that we are going to discuss about today is demonstrative pronoun, emphatic pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Okay, these three types of pronoun we are going to discuss today. Okay, so let's start. What is demonstrative pronoun? It points out or demonstrates persons or things. Okay, it points out or demonstrates persons or things. That means when we will go to an example, it will be more clear for you. Okay, so let us begin with the second point, that is these, that, these, that, these, those, one, etc. Okay, etc. are demonstrative pronoun. That means these, those, one, that, all these are examples of demonstrative pronoun. So let us go to the examples in sentences. That is, this is my video game. Okay, this is my video game. So this demonstrative pronoun is here used to demonstrate or to point out about this video game more clearly. That means whose video game is this? This is my video game. So this here is used to demonstrate about this video game. Okay, it is demonstrating, it is explaining it more clearly that whose video game is that. This is my video game. Okay, come to the next example. These are our classrooms. So these here is used, this demonstrative pronoun is used to explain about these classrooms more clearly, that whose classrooms are these are our classroom. Okay, clear? Okay, is this, I think in all this demonstrative pronoun, it's a definition. It is not definition actually. Why do we use, what does this demonstrative pronoun do? Okay, so I think you're clear with this. Now let's come to the second one, that is emphatic pronoun. So what is emphatic pronoun? A pronoun that emphasizes the actions done by the subject is called emphatic pronoun. That means what? A pronoun that emphasizes, okay, or gives more attention, gives more emphasis, okay, to the actions that is done by the subject in a sentence. Okay, so let us look to the examples. It is also formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronouns. It is also formed, why I have written it is also formed, because reflexive pronoun, we have learned reflexive pronoun. In reflexive pronoun also we have to add self or selves to the personal pronoun. Yes or no? In this way we can make reflexive pronoun. The same way in emphatic pronoun also we use self or selves to the personal pronouns and make emphatic pronoun. Okay, so example, he himself gave us this news. He himself gave us this news. A pronoun that emphasizes the actions done by the subject. So here subject is what? He. Yes or no? So he himself, this himself is emphasizing the action. What is the action? Giving the news. Yes or no? So the subject is doing here the action, and this action is given more emphasis, is given more stress by the help of what? These emphatic pronoun. Okay, clear? He is the subject here and gave us the news is the action here. Okay, so here this himself emphatic pronoun is used to emphasize, to give more stress upon the action that is done by this subject. Okay, clear? Next, with the next example, I myself did the homework. I myself did the homework. So I here is the subject, myself here is the emphatic pronoun, and doing the homework, did the homework, is the action. That means this myself emphatic pronoun is used to give more stress or give more emphasis upon the action, that is doing the homework, by the subject, that is I. Okay, by the subject, that is here I. Okay, clear? So what is emphatic pronoun? Emphatic pronoun is a pronoun that emphasizes or gives more stress done by the give more stress on the actions that is done by the subject. Okay, clear students? Now interrogative pronoun, it asks the question. So what is interrogative? You know what is interrogative? It deals with the questions. So interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. WH words like who, whom, whose, what, etc. are used as interrogative pronouns. So what do we use what are the interrogative pronouns that we use in a sentence which helps us to ask questions? They are who, whom, whose, what, and many more, etc. WH words, keep in mind, WH words which seems to be which helps to question someone or question something about someone. Okay, so these WH words like who, whom, whose, what, etc. are used as interrogative pronoun. Okay, let us go to the example. Who called my name? So here who interrogative pronoun is used in order to ask a question about what? About who is asking my name. That means who called my name. Okay, next, which is your favorite color? So which is your favorite color here, which is used as interrogative pronoun in order to ask the question about your favorite color. Okay, so what is interrogative pronoun? That means it asks question. What are the words we use as interrogative pronoun? That is the WH words: who, whom, which, what, whose, etc. Okay, all these words. So students, what we have learned today is that firstly we have learned demonstrative pronoun. Okay, what is demonstrative pronoun? It points out or demonstrates about something or about any person. Yes or no? And the words that are used as demonstrative pronoun are these, that, those, one, same, etc. All these things. Okay. Next, we have learned emphatic pronoun, and emphatic pronoun is such a pronoun that gives more stress or more emphasis on the actions that is done by the subject, and it is also formed by what? By adding self to the singular and self to the singular and self to the plural personal pronoun. Okay, and then last we have learned interrogative pronoun, that is used to ask questions, and the words which are used as interrogative pronoun are what? WH words like who, what, whom, which, whose, where, all these things. Okay students, so I hope everything is clear with you today. In the next class we will learn some more kinds of pronoun. Okay, thank you students.